Welcome back to Happy Life Secrets. Today, we readdressing a topic many older men may not discuss openly, but is crucial for their well-being: essential penis care. As we age, taking care of this part of our body remains vital for hygiene, comfort, blood flow, and long-term function. In this video, we'll walk through 5 straightforward yet proven rules to help you stay healthy, confident, and in control. And if you haven't yet, please like and subscribe to Happy Life Secrets to stay up to date with a wealth of life lessons and valuable knowledge. Rule number 1. Gentle daily cleaning. Rule 1 is gentle daily cleaning without overdoing it. As skin thins with age, especially in the groin area, harsh scrubbing or soaps can cause more harm than good. Proper hygiene involves using warm water and a soft touch. If you use soap, ensure it's mild, unscented, and free of harsh chemicals. Wash gently, especially under the foreskin if uncircumcised, rinse thoroughly, and pat dry. Leaving moisture can lead to irritation or fungal infections. Consider Dennis, 74, whose recurring itching stopped when he switched from harsh antibacterial soap to a gentle water rinse. The penis has a natural balance. Avoid stripping it away. Recurring itching stopped when he switched from harsh antibacterial soap to a gentle water rinse. The penis has a natural balance. Avoid stripping it away. Rule number 2. Daily visual check. Rule 2 is a quick daily visual check for any changes. Familiarity with your body helps you notice anything unusual in the skin, shape, or surface. Early detection of issues like infections, sores, bumps, or discoloration allows for easier treatment. Frank, 79, initially ignored what he thought was an ingrown hair, which turned out to be early-stage skin cancer. Daily awareness, not paranoia, is key. A quick glance after showering or while dressing provides valuable information and builds a deeper connection with your health. Daily awareness, not paranoia, is key. A quick glance after showering or while dressing provides valuable information and builds a deeper connection with your health. Rule number 3. Moisturizing to protect aging skin. Rule 3 is moisturizing to protect aging skin. Like other areas, the skin on the penis becomes thinner and drier with age. Daily moisturizing with a fragrance-free, gentle lotion after showering can prevent cracking, flaking, itching, and discomfort. Harold, 82, found relief from persistent irritation by using a pea-sized amount of moisturizer daily. This isn't cosmetic. It's functional, preventing cracks that can lead to infection or discomfort. It's also a way of reclaiming attention to this part of your body, promoting self-esteem and comfort. Harold, aged 82, found relief from persistent irritation by using a pea-sized amount of moisturizer daily. This isn't cosmetic. It's functional, preventing cracks that can lead to infection or discomfort. Rule number 4. Supporting circulation through daily movement. Rule 4 is supporting circulation through daily movement. Blood flow is critical for erection strength, sensation, and healing. As we age, circulation can slow down, especially with inactivity or underlying health issues. Light daily movement, like short walks or stretching, benefits not just your heart, but also your sexual health. Robert, 76, noticed improved morning erections after starting regular short walks. Movement helps blood vessels stay open and flexible, supporting overall pelvic health. Robert, aged 76, noticed improved morning erections after starting regular short walks. Movement helps blood vessels stay open and flexible, supporting overall pelvic health. Rule number 5. Mindful urination and complete emptying of the bladder. Rule 5 is mindful urination and complete emptying of the bladder. Incomplete voiding can lead to urinary tract infections, prostate pressure, and discomfort. As we age, bladder control muscles may weaken, and sensation can become less reliable. Taking your time, relaxing fully, and staying seated can help ensure complete emptying. Gerald, 81, reduced nighttime urination and leakage by adopting these techniques. Give yourself an extra 10 to 20 seconds after the initial stream ends and consider gently leaning forward to ensure the bladder is fully empty. This simple practice protects your comfort and health. The rewarding result: a healthier and more confident you caring for your penis in older age is about comfort, health, and self-respect. These 5 simple rules: gentle cleaning, daily checks, moisturizing, movement, and mindful urination can make a significant difference. Choose one to focus on today and build from there. You deserve to feel healthy and confident in every aspect of your life. Subscribe to Happy Life Secrets for more tips on thriving in your senior years. Share your thoughts in the comments below.